Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be checking out Higgsfield's Cinema Studio, the first AI cinema studio with real optical physics. So enter the studio and let's see how it goes. We're going to make a nice generation together, show you how hopefully easy it is. So Cinema Studio, professional grade content powered by real. I want to make that prompt. That is awesome. You get to change the camera, change the lens, change the focal length, distinct cinematic looks. Okay, a man running away from a big explosion. That's gonna be my prompt. I love these ideas. Oh, turning into birds. Okay, I want to get going. So you upload 2 frames, a start frame and an end frame. I'm done. I want to go. So this is the prompt. Upload an image as a prompt or describe your scene. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to try out the text and then I'm going to be uploading my own image and just see how it goes. So I'm going to say man running away from a nuclear explosion. You get to choose the camera that you want. So this is the lens. So I'm going to start with the Alexa 35 camera cinematic, and it's only going to take 2 credits to generate. So it's generating right now, it's making an image, and I guess from the image we'll do the start frame and the end frame and make a video out of it. Here I've selected image over here, but you can also select a video, make 4 generations at a time, so you get a lot of different ideas. There is a movement editor over here, so you get to choose what kind of camera movement you want. So you can have a zoom out, handheld, pan right, orbital, dolly effect, rollout. So I guess what I'll probably do is I'll keep it disabled for now, so it comes up with its own thing. You get to choose how much seconds you want. So I'm going to go for 10 seconds. I'm going to be burning 72 credits. Sound is enabled, and slow motion, you can have that effect on or off. So this is the image that I've made over here, and I guess I'll save this. And for the video, we're going to be using that image as the start frame. So I'll hit generate and it's going to make 4 generations, do all this kind of cool stuff. It's in the queue, it's all ready to go. Now regarding pricing, I am currently on the ultimate plan. So I guess it's half price at the moment, 25 bucks. Usually it's 49 bucks, and that one you get 1,200 credits. So to make these 4 10-second videos, that was going to take around 72 credits over here. And in total, I'm getting 1,200 credits a month. And if you don't know, Higgsfield AI, they kind of got all the models and everything on it. They also got some nice discounts, face swaps. You got this motions, you got air blending, splash animations, pretty much whatever you think of, you can do it. And what's great is on their website, you got all these example AI videos. So for example, just say I look at this car crash, it tells you the prompt that was used to make it. So you can pretty much just copy this prompt and use it elsewhere. While it's actually generating this end video here, I'm going to see how it compares to local AI generation. So we made this man running away from a nuclear explosion. Obviously, you got the beautiful cinematic photography kind of view. I'm going to jump into Xcreate, and this is a local AI image generation app. So I'm going to use the exact same prompt, man running away from a nuclear explosion, and I'm going to just make 1 generation. And this one is going to be made locally on my Mac. And of course, any generation you make here, you can also upload it to Higgsfield to make a video out of it as well, because that's where the big processing is. But this is just to show you, look at the cinematic effects that you get here. I'll show you the state of the art that you can do locally. And I think it got a bit confused. So my prompt was man running away from a nuclear explosion. And the guy, I think he's running towards it. It's a beautiful image, but obviously just look at the cinematic quality over here. So let's go ahead and see what videos it has made. I don't know what's going on. So his hair turns a bit blue as he runs away. It looks gorgeous. He does a bit of a weird shuffle with his hand. And then he kind of like lifts his leg up. This is a hilarious video. Obviously, it is very, very, very beautiful, but a little bit of artifacts that makes you realize that it's AI. But again, it's very, very cinematic. It does look gorgeous. Now, we made 4 different versions of this video because sometimes the first version isn't so good. So let's just see what this one does. He's running. Nice, beautiful sound, beautiful cinematic explosion. He's running really, really fast. And that is gorgeous. You can see his facial expression gets more and more serious as he runs away. His hair looks unnaturally blue. Definitely, this is a good contender for a cinematic point of view. The third one that we made, okay, his hair looks nice there. It's not blue, so this is a better one. He's running faster and faster away. He's really taking this run seriously. This one also looks good. A little bit of pacing over there. Now, I've got to say, this is just a basic prompt I made, and this is just such a good 10-second video that's been done. I could definitely, you can make different angles, different collages. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just try a completely different prompt. A lion wearing glasses using a MacBook Pro, typing on a keyboard. So these are the images that I generated locally. We're going to use the now cinematic version and just see how it does it. So I'm going to start off with image. I'm going to say batch size 4. We're making 2K resolution. Takes a bit longer. 2K resolution, good for most cases, and it's only going to take 8. I'm going to choose a different camera over here. I'm going to try IMAX film camera. Oh, these images are gorgeous. Just look at that. It's very, very epic, very wide angles. Look at the detail in the lion. It just looks so, so good. I can see this lion's probably writing his thesis after graduating from university with his PhD. Look at that. Oh, this is a nice action shot. I can definitely, it looks so crisp. It looks so beautiful. It's got the MacBook Pro logo. It's got everything. These images are just wild. You can probably, I'm gonna have to use this image. This is just so good. Upload image as a prompt or describe the scene you imagine. So I've just uploaded the images over here. So I've got this lion starting off here, and he's gonna be swooping in and going over there. So I'm guessing he's gonna be using the keyboard. We got 10-second duration. Movements is disabled because we have our end frame set up. I'm gonna again generate a batch size of 4. Oh, what's that? That is awesome. I don't know what happened. that is literally awesome. So someone gave him some books and he turned around and the MacBook Pro appeared again. And the cups are coming out of the blue. I guess this is kind of like a time-lapsey kind of orbit around. Definitely working, figuring things out, drinking his coffee. And let's see what the lion's going to do now. This is very, very addictive. You can definitely do some movies out of this. This is, whoa, what was that? He climbed over to the bench and everything's moving. Everything's going a bit crazy. And he's going to drink. He's going to drink the mug. He took a little sip. The cup disappeared. Left-handed lion. That was beautiful. So as you can see, breathtaking cinematic looks. He's drinking. He's wearing jeans. Did you notice that? The lion was wearing jeans. So yeah, beautiful cinematic videos and images to be made. Check it out. This is Higgsfield AI and it's got tons and tons of goodness. So let me know what you guys think of the amazing generations. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.